Happy Tuesday, everyone. Time once again for your daily bad dad joke. Barkley got this bad dad joke from Justin. So, what does a nut say when it sneezes? Cashew. 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 I mean, yeah, that is kind of a head scratcher, but it's also kind of cute, right? Instead of bless you, cashew. Not bad. That was cute. Apparently someone else thought otherwise. Justin, thank you for sending in that bad dad joke idea. Keep sending in your bad dad joke ideas. And everyone have a treatful Tuesday. Bye, guys.